Hello everyone. Today I am going to cook oxbone soup, a dish with Korean roots, but I will make it with a Norwegian twist. Living in Norway means not all the same ingredients are available as in Thailand, but there are alternatives available. So the ingredients I'm going to be using are as follows. The first ingredient of oxbone soup is the most important one, the ox bones. The second ingredient in the first of the many vegetables I use in my soup and onion. The third ingredient is carrots for adding some extra sweetness to the soup. And the fourth ingredient is ginger to give the soup that extra added taste and delicious smell. The fifth ingredient is garlic, which gives both flavor and adds to the delicious smell. Final ingredients is actually several ingredients in one. A soup mix. These are sold in Norway and are very convenient for when you want to reduce the amount of preparation time for your ingredients. And the soup mix contains potato, carrots, celery root, and leek, all chopped into small squares, perfectly suited for a soup. You can of course cut the ingredients by hand, but if these are available, they are an easy alternative that makes the food preparation go faster. And finally, I will season the soup with salt, black pepper, vegetable stock powder, and a little bit turmeric. And here are all my ingredients together. The first step in preparing the oxbone soup is washing the ox bones. Now that all vegetables have been chopped, the next step is adding it to the soup. After vegetables, we add 1 liter of water. The soup has now started to boil. I will now let it boil for 2 hours and then let the soup be heated to near boiling for 1 more hour. After an hour, I am now going to add soup mix. After adding the soup mix, it is very important to stir well. After stirring, I will now add the seasoning. 2 teaspoons salt, 1.5 teaspoon vegetable stock powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric. Then mix the seasoning well with the soup. I will now let it boil for 1 more hour and then turn down the temperature. After 1.5 hours of boiling, I am now going to add 3 deciliters of water. It is very important to stir it well so the soup doesn't burn. After 2 hours of boiling and 1 hour of simmering, it is now ready to serve. Now I'm going to have a taste of my soup, my ox bone soup. It's perfect. It's very delicious. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Hope you all have a nice day. Bye bye.